This is Peter from NT Realty, and today we're in Prcanj. We've got this amazing property for you, ideal for a renovation, on a plot of 361 square meters, base of 71 square meters, on a couple of levels, so 142 square meters. Got great terraces here, lovely terrace right at the top, fantastic views over Kotor Bay overlooking Sveti Stasia, where I live. I'm going to show you some aerials, take you through the property, and let me know what you think. Let's go.
So here we have it. This white detached house here, set in the plot of 361 square meters. And let's just take you through. Under terrace storage here. And I'll take you onto the terrace. Nice big terrace, which, as you can see, surrounded by these forests, opening up with these views, magnificent views over Kotor Bay. Here on the right, you have the outdoor kitchen. Covered and everything in place, water, electric, lighting to put your kind of barbecue or your kitchen area. Little path to the back of the house, showing you the ground floor area here. This is ideal for either a studio apartment, or you could turn it into a magnificent kind of master suite, big bedroom with walk-in wardrobe and ensuite bathroom, with this great terraces and phenomenal views. But if you want to leave it as a studio, here we have the area here, which is already set up with the plumbing and everything for the kitchen. Dining space here, leading out onto the terrace. If it was me, and obviously you get a good architect here, you can obviously change all these things here, put in French windows and so on, to really make the use of these amazing views and space around. Back of the house, magnificent pines again. And let's just take you through the middle floor here. So originally designated here as the living space. So it gives you an idea of the kind of quality of the structure. So everything is quite sound. Again, leading onto another terrace, overlooking these views. The shot here is actually just to give you an idea of what the neighborhood's like and how far you are away from the sea. So you can get a bit of context of the place. And this is Prcanj. Originally Prcanj, I think, under the Venetian rule. This would be the kitchen area here. I would take this window, perhaps put a double doors here. I say good architects, good interior designer, or if you're good at that yourself, then you can turn this into a phenomenal looking place. Top floor, bathroom in the center, and bedrooms either side. And again, this is an area, if you wanted to, you could turn this area into the master suites. Again, just showing you the nature surrounding the property. It's a great shot here, showing you how big that terrace is at the top of the house. Let's take you up onto that terrace. And as I said, if you take away these limbs from the middle of these two oak trees, then you're left with these fantastic views. So you're in a great space here. You're in a lovely village, Prcanj. According to the last census, it's something like 1,100 inhabitants in Prcanj. You're 5 kilometers from Kotor Old Town. It's a great place. You've got these fantastic kind of corner bars in Prcanj. Great places for the grilled meat and fish restaurants right on the water. From the Venetian times, started around about the 17th century. Little marina in the center, and you have cafe center, post office, bakeries, and as I said, these kind of corner bars right on the water's edge.
So that's it. We've got this beautiful property here in Prcanj. If you're looking for something to renovate in the Boka Kotorska area, it's on a great plot, 361 square meters on a couple of levels, great terraces. We've got this property next to it to show you what can be done. It's got the verandas, the garage, the pool, everything that you need there. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe if you want to watch the latest videos. And you just hit the subscribe button here if you want to. And there's a couple of videos just here and here, which might be interesting to you. Thank you for watching.